Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I have another quick little nail art tutorial for you. Today I am doing a mani swap with coffee and nail polish on Instagram, which is Shannon. If you guys don't know her, you should definitely check her out. I'm recreating one of her floral manicures, so I'm starting off with a minty cream base to start everything off, and this is Heroine NYC's Empowerment. As you're going to notice over the next so many days, I'm really on a Heroine NYC kick apparently when it comes to nail polish because they have great creams and I've just really been into creams. So now for the nail art, I am actually once again using nail polish for the art, which is so unlike me, but I really liked this color combo and I kind of liked the fact that I was keeping it all in the same brand. So I am putting on these nice kind of daisy-like shaped flowers using Heroine NYC's Bubblegum in an old nail art brush because, as I've mentioned in other videos, I don't like using my really good nail art brushes with actual nail polish because I feel like nail polish doesn't always come off 100% perfectly on brushes, so I'd rather not risk my really good and more expensive brushes when it comes to that. So that is why I'm using an old scraggly one. Plus, it kind of just shows that it doesn't matter what tools you use, you can use things that aren't super expensive or aren't in the best condition and still have some really fun nails. So after I've done the flower bases, I'm going to go in with a yellow nail polish and I'm going to put the flower centers in, and for this I am using Heroine NYC's Lemonade, which I posted about a few days ago. It's a new yellow polish of theirs and I absolutely love it. It's really good. And then once that is all done and dried, she also had little clusters of dots, so I put in little clusters of 3 dots, and I kind of did them in 2 or 3 depending on the space I had on my nail, and you can kind of wing that upon your nail space. After that was all done, I put on a top coat and that was my finished manicure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys back here soon with another video. Bye!